So right there, that is a tree, and if you look real close, you can see the little dots. That's going to be the fish. But whenever you're side scanning, that is definitely what you want to look for.
So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I had to get that little clip in first because I was showing what we had found on the side scan. And here I'm showing it on the Livescope on the forward-facing sonar. Before we get too far into the video, just go through the house cleaning, or not really house cleaning, but just the same things we have to do on all the videos. Go ahead, and if you like this stuff, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and I'm not going to harp on it too long, but subscribers do make the YouTube world go around, and that's how we're able to just keep bringing you this content. But what we've got here today is we had found that tree side scanning, and this is the approach coming up to it. And I didn't have the GoPro going yet, so I wasn't able to get our view, but I am going to have it in the next clip. So what we're doing, give you a little background as we're making our approach up to this tree, is we are practicing on Lake Cumberland for a Crappie Masters tournament. You see pretty good sized tree there. The end that we're approaching there's going to be, I guess, kind of the base of the tree. You see it's got like a fork in it with a big branch, and you see all them fish sitting there at 40 and 45 yards. And there goes my bait in right at 20, and Kenny's bait is back in behind that. I just bounced mine up, and you see his line coming through. He's just got one. I think they come up to his egg sinker, yeah, and there's one's just bit. But we're practicing for the tournament on Lake Cumberland. Lake Cumberland's always kind of, well, last year was the first time I'd ever tournament fished, period, and I didn't do real well on Cumberland. I always caught fish and weighed fish, which I was proud of, but never done real well crappie fishing. And Kenny, they won, him and his dad won a tournament. I think it was 2020. They actually won a tournament fishing. I don't know, it may have been this creek or another creek they were fishing in, but the water was a lot different whenever they were fishing that tournament, and it set up a lot different. So it was kind of a new experience for both of us at trying to pick up on it. But we actually fished it 2 weeks ago, and we only had 9 keepers all day. So this day went a lot better for us, and I only got maybe an hour or an hour and a half of footage. We fished all day. We probably sore mouth too many fish, but I had a big time and was able to get on them. And I think all that you see in this video is us casting to them, and that was how we done it. We're very successful casting, and we caught a ton of fish. We probably had we had a 2-man limit on this day. This was the Friday, and on Saturday of the tournament we fished, and we caught a mess of fish in the tournament. Ended up placing 5th overall in the tournament, so it was able to get us some good points for the points race, and real excited about that. So we had a big fish of 184, and I think there was one that was over 2 pounds that was weighed. But we were tickled. We had a big time, and the wind got up. We were able to transition to jigging, and like I said in one of my other videos talking about jigging and casting, and we were able to transition to jigging, and was able to catch those fish that way. But hope you enjoy the video. I've been trying to get everybody's comments. I appreciate that. Definitely, if you have questions, or leave us a comment, and we'll try to get to that. I've been answering some of those, and right here I actually, because we're practicing for this tournament. See, I just kind of waved at some guys we knew, but they fished the tournament too. They actually beat us. I think they come in 3rd. Rogers and Allen, tough bunch. But I wasn't gonna show them. I kidded with them. I told them. I said we went. I fussed at them. I said y'all storm out the our fish, and they were laughing. I don't think they actually even come into this creek. They may have found some fish somewhere else, but they've done a really good job. So shout out to them. But I'm a little scatterbrained going off of. I was up at 3 this morning and trying to go ahead and finish editing this video out. But yeah, I had a big time. Leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. If it's a positive comment, if it's a negative comment, just don't comment. Just quit watching the video and go to something else. We're all about positivity, so if you don't like it, by all means, go watch something else. It'd be cool. Won't hurt our feelings at all. And I guess that's it. So enjoy the video. We make sure you watch it to the end, or at least skip towards the end, because we've got some what I thought was comical stuff. We got some where I actually put the camera on my chest, so you get like you're seeing like exactly what I'm seeing up top. And Kenny's got a pro tip for you there at the end. And like I said, we had a lot of fun out there fishing this week, and this is exactly the way it looked on Cumberland yesterday. So enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.
It's just hard to do when you're so cold. A lot of fish. That's me. Yeah. Not a bad fish, good eating fish. Well, you're making a mess of things.
It's got ice. They're not going through there.
I had them followed all the way back. I'm gonna give you a good picture of it. I guess. That's mine. I think yours is going down.
Just keep it out of the brush.
You got one on? Nope. Come on.
I seen him, man. He come back and got it after I jerked.
Okay.
I seen him, man. He come back and got it after I jerked.
Okay, we probably ought to leave that pile alone. That's how you do it, peeps.
Just double on him.
And there was a lot more there.
He bit it, and I jerked and missed, and he come back and got it.
Can I get the bit?
Of course you can.
Alright.
I just probably turned the boot.
Now we need to go towards that thing over there. Other for sure. I don't know about the secondary that'll do that. Is there anything back out towards the main lake? You want to go look at a couple of creeks?
The lay down on that wall over there. There's another
There's
wall.
a fish right there. You can sit on top.
Turn towards it.
Decline this crap. Back.
Woo! So the big thing is you see these secondary brush piles or stumps or whatever it is, you've got to check those, because you may see 100 fish on that other stuff and only one fish on the secondary stuff, but a lot of times that one fish will be the bigger one. And that's a Kenny Patterson pro tip. See right there? We're gonna fish that. Ugh. I don't know if we can see all of that right there or not. We almost drove over top of it. There's a big one sitting right on top of it. Yeah, you just missed it, but thank you for showing me where to go.
I'm gonna draw one off of it. Right there.
You got him. Ooh. Golly, net. Probably a little premature on the net, but still not a bad fish. There's a bunch of them under there. Like, now, come up. I see him coming. Yeah. Oh.
Net.
I think you can flip him.
I was just pulling.
You're just being mean.
He never goes back to pick them up.
All right, here we are on beautiful Lake Cumberland. We're here with Mr. Crappie Pro Staff, Kenny Patterson. Kenny, tell us pro tip of the day.
The pro tip of the day: whenever you go to a new lake, not sure where to start, just drive around till you see a abandoned buoy marker, and it's usually on top of a brush pile.
Let's see if I still have it, if I can go back far enough to show. Yeah, there's some more stuff out there.
You want me to take us back here?
Yeah, take us back there. See, right there is the what it looks like. I'll have to make sure that I don't leave the GPS coordinates in it this time. Yeah, you're right in the thick of it. That's a good one. Oh, no, I think you got him. Oh, we got him double hooked. Or I might have had a. You need a net?
In a minute. I might be able to get him.
Because I don't have a net. Do you need a net? Because I don't have one. Here, let me get the camera. Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh, now he decides he's hooked and wants to run. Bill dancing him there.
Here he comes. Don't lose him. Golly, look at that rod band.
I'm gonna boat flip him.
He's a good looking fish. Caught on that Kenny's Custom crap, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good smallmouth.
He was coming off.
No, he wasn't.
a 1/32 ounce number 4 hook or something. Right in the hard spot.
I just need to hear one thing from you.
What's that?
Can't
hold me down.
That's awesome.
I'll be honest with you, I thought it was a crappie jumping when I first seen it.
Well, the first jump I thought it was too.